Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add song to Instagram post after posting it. So let's get right into it. So once you're in your Instagram account, head over to your profile by clicking on the profile icon. And once you're there, you can see I have already posted and it has no music with it. So to post a music with it, I must click on the three dots on the post and tap on edit. And here you can see an option on the upper corner called add music. After the add location, tap on it. And here you can select any music you want according to your post or according to your taste. So if you select one, you can search for one. Once you are okay with it, click on the tick on the upper right corner and the music is added. Finally, click on the tick mark on the upper right corner again and the music is posted with your post. Wasn't it easy? If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And we will see you in the next video.